Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quesadillas in a toaster. First, let's talk about safety. It is crucial to understand that using a toaster for anything other than bread can be risky. Always use caution and never leave your toaster unattended. We will focus on using small, thin tortillas to minimize any potential issues and ensure a delicious, quick snack. Now, let's prepare your quesadilla for toasting. Choose a small, soft tortilla. A 6-inch or 8-inch size works best. Lay it flat and spread about 1/4 cup of your favorite shredded cheese evenly over 1/2 of the tortilla. Make sure the cheese layer is thin to allow for even melting. Then, carefully fold the tortilla in half, pressing gently to seal the edges. With your quesadilla prepared, it's time to toast it. Carefully insert the folded tortilla into a wide toaster slot. If your toaster slots are narrow, consider using a reusable toaster bag for easier handling and less mess. Set your toaster to a medium-low setting. This prevents the tortilla from burning while allowing the cheese to melt perfectly. Toast for 1 or 2 cycles, checking often for a golden brown finish. Once your quesadilla is perfectly toasted, carefully remove it from the toaster using tongs. It will be hot, so handle with care. Allow it to cool for about 30 seconds to a minute. This helps the cheese set slightly and prevents burns. You can then cut your quesadilla into 2 or 3 triangles. Serve immediately with your favorite toppings, such as salsa, guacamole, or a dollop of sour cream. Enjoy your quick and tasty snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.